This quick video is about how to take and upload a BeReal post on iPhone. Okay, let's see. First, open your BeReal app. Here just tap Take your BeReal. Now you have to take a single photo within the 2 minutes time. On BeReal, single photo means both your front and back camera photo. Yeah, if you take one picture, it will automatically take your front and back photo. Okay, to take photo, just tap the shutter button. Yeah, now you can see at one click both your front and back picture was taken, and still countdown runs. So just tap send. That's it. And to add caption, just click these letters. And if you want to add location, turn on BeReal location on settings, and here add your caption you wish. Then tap send. That's it. Now you successfully uploaded your first BeReal. From next time onwards, at any time you will receive this notification from BeReal. Once you see this, within 2 minutes you have to upload your BeReal post like we see this in the video. Yeah, that's it for now. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.